Hi, welcome to the next channel. Long back, I had a forum like a discussion forum. I did it with some platform, and then there were few guys discussing about the same. But it was more I used platform like MyBB or PHPBB or something like that. So these are various discussion forum software. Generally used, but the participation level is quite low, and at that point of time even the agenda was different and stuff like that. And then quite recently, around a year or sometime back, again I have introduced another forum with a different link. Again there was a different kind of a drive. There were more like questions, and it was a situation that I have to answer every question, and that is not something I'm intending for. So this time I have created a fresh new interface, and as well as fresh new forum called as forum the Linux channel. So the entire intent or the idea is to discuss among yourselves at times, time to time. In case if I know something, I can intervene, I can give my opinions and suggestions, but other than that you can self-discuss. So this can be a kind of a good platform, and most importantly I want to kind of keep the context of discussions with respect to technical aspects. If anyone comments about racism or something like that, or else they use any kind of bad language or out of context discussion, and most importantly if it is something spam or something, of course I'm going to heavily moderate. So I just want to focus this platform will be useful for everyone, so that you can unite, join together, you can self-discuss. Of course there is a page of Facebook, the Linux channel, but or the group in Facebook, but I'm not much interested using any third-party services. You should understand, when I create a forum like this, the entire data is in my server, the entire stuff is in the Linux channel server. So the objective is, of course, time to time I do take backups, even if in case if it is hacked or anything happens, nothing to worry about. We can just scrape that old stuff and then we can get the backup up. So nothing to worry about. So this is a platform. When you think about the objective of the same, okay, so I have created various categories. As you can see here, you can click here, categories, and you have various categories. Time to time I may add some subcategories and stuff like that. In case if there is any interesting query, I may add a subcategory and I may just push it under that category, so that it is more easy to navigate and go through. So I just created categories. One is general, the other than that you have this job and career advice, and then you have a section for freshers. Let it be a fresher who is still studying in the college, or else they are out of college looking for some type of direction. Let it be about any technical expertise or domain which to choose, or else some confusion about job and other stuff. Even I do get mails related joining bond, signing a joining bond and other stuff. So you can generally discuss. There is nothing wrong about it. Okay. Other than that, you have something to discuss in a much more serious level, meant for more senior level architects. Not everyone is going to get answers when they discuss in other platforms. Of course, the visibility is more. You have the Stack Exchange and other platforms, and of course we have even Linux Foundation discussion forum itself, but there is a different way it is managed, maintained, and stuff like that. Sometimes when I post certain things, they do think it is even spam or something, or else out of context or something. I felt this platform is going to be useful. People who follow the Linux channel videos, of course there are certain videos not everyone may like, there are certain topics not everyone may be interested to follow, and stuff like that do happen. And of course there are people who may not understand or you may not like the way I cover the stuff. Again, when I think about astrology, there are certain reasons. Sometimes we may not like other people, so it is quite natural. Instinctively, there are certain signs may not like me, so I can't help, because that's how it is. At the same time, it is vice versa. Even I may not like them. Okay, it's just not about superstition. The more you mingle with that person, you feel that that person is not of your taste, of your wavelength and choice. So this thing can happen. So this is not for anyone who is not interested in my way of thinking. So it is perfectly fine. But in case if you're following my videos and also my to an extent free mentorship also, this is a nice platform. You can unite together, you can discuss things, you can discuss about certain social aspects and other problems you face. So other than that, anything related to technical stuff, coding and other stuff, you can discuss. You have various other sections. As I said, I may create more subcategories and or major categories in case if there is any specific query is interesting. So just to see whichever is relevant and you can push into the same, and if I find it is more appropriate in some other category, I'm going to arrange anyway as an admin. So this is the ID which I have created. It's a normal user ID. I have another ID which I created myself, which is going to be a moderator account. So this is what it is. So you can go to the discussions, you can navigate whichever way you want, and then you can add any topics, you can share your stuff. But please note, if you are intended to write any articles, you want to submit any stuff, don't do it here. Okay, so you can submit via mail with all the appropriate images. You should try to do your own architectural or flow pictures so that we can incorporate in tutorial section. Okay, sometimes I do get articles submitted by my students, also some enthusiasts, and I have put over there, and that includes even some of my articles along with my students' articles or any volunteers. So if you want to volunteer anything, don't submit any articles over here. So this we can use it for more to and fro discussion, so that you can get clarified your stuff. We never know, someone may have a lot of experience in the industry, may get back your query. You may be just beginning your career just recently, few months ago or a year ago or something, but you may get fantastic reply from some volunteer who is ready to help you on this regard, not just my point of view. Okay, so this is the main intent, so that we can decentralize, and then we can also use this platform to unite ourselves together. So more in future I may add more sections related to other sectors like UI stuff, web design and other stuff. So just it is not something related only to systems or networking. I am going to do the same in future. So far I have just added, and I just added a welcome post, so that it kind of brings you that enthusiasm within yourselves. Okay, so I'm going to share this link in the video description. In case if you are interested, you can hit, and then you can reach the same, and you can register yourselves. So for now I have kept the new user as moderated account or something, so that I need to moderate any new user sign-ups. So in case if you have signed up immediately, you may not go ahead and post any messages or discussions, because this happened long back when I was having a discussion forum for Traffic Squeezer, because I was getting excessive spam, and every day or week I used to moderate that. So to control that, it is good measure. In case if there is a new sign up as an admin, I will go inside my dashboard, and then I check, and then I approve, so that this limits it's a simple attempt to limit any kind of a spam sign-ups. Okay, so this is what. So it's up to you. It's open for you all. In case if you are interested, follow that link in the description, and then you can sign up, and then you can discuss openly, and then anyone is interested to volunteer, you can help others. At the same time, you can also get help from me or from others, so that we can all together work, collaborate, and we can use this as a common platform for all of us, not just YouTube comments, not just emails, not just WhatsApp, because that is something I feel that it is too much centralized. I'm discussing 1:1 with everyone. It is not a good platform to unite people together. Okay, there are so many people have common issues they must have undergone in the past, and now they are they have that enough know-how, they can help others with their past learnings. Unfortunately, there is no such platform till now. Okay, so this is the best platform where we will have a record and we can openly discuss and share our stuff within others. Okay,